Peace and prosperity.
What's up, Exclusive Travels? Today is day 2 of the National Student Leadership Conference. This is the architecture program and we are at Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. I am extremely honored to be here and excited. The time is currently 7:10 and we're gonna go and head down to breakfast at 8 o'clock. We're just gonna go ahead and get ready and then get dressed. Yesterday was pretty much just orientation. You know, we got our rooms, we got introduced to our TAs, our RAs. We got introduced to all the other NSLC groups. Today, we are going to be actually hands-on with architecture in our TA group. So stay tuned for that. So I just got finished out of the bathroom. And for the weather is not looking too bad. The high is gonna be 81 degrees. Right now it's currently 74 degrees. And it's probably gonna be raining a little later in the day and the chances are still under 50%. So we're just gonna wear something that's pretty light, short sleeves, some shorts, and call it a day. Alright y'all, I am 100% dressed for the NSLC program. This is day 2. We're gonna go ahead and head down and get breakfast, and then after that we have a workshop to do, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, we just got on the elevator and we're going up to floor 4 because that's the main floor. We're gonna go ahead and exit and I'm going to show you guys where exactly we are going to eat breakfast at. Make our way down these stairs, and then right there where it says Old Donovan Hall, that's where we're gonna go ahead and eat breakfast at. So this is what we got for breakfast, guys.
Peace and prosperity.
We're on our way to the ICC. Intercultural Center.
One of the exciting things that we have planned for you guys is the Life of a Project. So how many of you guys feel like you want to be an architect? How many of you are not really sure? Okay, yeah. A lot of future architects in here, that's fine, yeah. But on the Life of a Project panel, we're going to hear about what different industries go into architecture. Because obviously, one architect doesn't bring a building to life.
Alright guys, so we got out of the ICC not too long ago, the Intercultural Center, and so now we have free time. We have up till about 10:30. Right now it's 10:11. I'm just walking around the campus. Our main area is like over there by that police car, like those buildings over there. So I'm over here just checking out this side of the campus and stuff like that. Haven't really traveled to over here. I want to make my way in Regents Hall, but I don't think I'll have time to do that today. I'll try to do that another day and let you guys know about it. But right now I'm just traveling around the campus and basically checking it out. I'm pretty much just walking, guys. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not lost. I think this is the parking garage, but I pretty much don't know where I'm going. I'm just walking around, if I'm being honest. The college campus is beautiful. It's unfortunate that they don't have an architecture program, but that's okay. So this place, well, this area that I'm going right now is the medical center. So I'm assuming all the med students and things like that go this way. Not gonna go up these stairs. I'm just gonna circle back around. But basically, this is the scenery. It's very quiet. Very, very quiet. Because over there is where I came in, and then over there is the intercultural center, and so over here is like the heart of the college. This is like over there is like the main entrance, and then here is like the main building. But I'll show you guys more of that when I have some more free time. Right now I'm going to start heading back to our meeting place because it is currently 10:22.
How well do you guys think your concept was implemented?
Just do raise
hands.
We got the pasta that has mushroom and chicken in there. This some of the chicken and mushroom, and then we got the broccoli, and then I got a biscuit on the side. Alright guys, so far we are going back. Well, I'm going back upstairs. I'm about to go meet with my TA. We are about to go have a guest speaker, and we need to meet there at 2. Right now it is currently 1:58, but it's right outside, so I don't have to worry. After we did a leadership 101 like class, I guess you would say. It's kind of like leadership type, leadership personality, and things of that sort. And then we did forms where basically they gave us words, and then based off of those words we had to make a chair. We had to pick one of those words and have a chair that matched like the word. So whether it would be like the form of the chair, how the chair looked, how the chair felt on somebody's skin, and all those sorts of things. So now we're about to go to the guest speaker, so stay tuned. This is our group tower. That's their group tower.
Like the group that I was working with used the paper cups and we stacked them, you know, like the most lengthy way possible. So when we combined them, we used the same idea.
Okay guys, so it's a lot to unpack today. Today was pretty, I won't say hectic, but it was a pretty long day at NSLC. So initially we woke up, got ready,
we ate breakfast. And then after we ate breakfast, we had an architecture intro session. So basically, what is architecture? We talked about what architecture was, what it does, the aspects of it, the different fields, I guess you would say, of architecture, how you have to follow guidelines, how there can be architecture for the inside of buildings, for the outside of buildings, for the nature of buildings, and things of that sort. So that was the second thing that we did today in the ICC auditorium. And then we had free time, which you guys, I recorded some of that also. Then we had a leadership series, Leadership 101, where basically we just talked about leadership and the different kinds of leadership and how we can be better leaders. And then right after that, we had, it was in the same building. And basically, we had a form meets function. There was a bunch of words that they gave us, a list of words such as nest, fuse, fold, and there were some other ones. I'm not sure about all of them, but we had some of those words, and with those words we were supposed to make a chair that resembled those words. So if somebody looked at our chair that we made, then they would be able to associate it with one of the words, and like as soon as you see it, you associate it with it. So ours was fuse, and I'll insert a picture in this video of me and my partner's chair. And then we had lunch. For lunch, I showed you guys lunch. So, and then after that, we had a discussion with I hope I'm saying her name right, but Yiselle Santos Rivera. Hey, and so basically she's the president of AIA, which refers to the American Institute of Architects. It's a professional organization for architects in the United States, and it networks licensed architects. So it's basically an organization that harbors a bunch of licensed architects, and their plan is to advance the profession and also to shape the building environment. So they talked about recently how, like, you know, AI is a big thing. So how can we incorporate AI into architects without, you know, taking away from our humanity and things of that sort. She said she was the first Latina as president of AIA. So that's a pretty big accomplishment for her. And she's been to many organizations and groups, like as far as architecture goes. So she's a very accomplished woman. She used her passion to guide her throughout her steps and throughout her journey, and that's what led her to become who she is today. And I'm proud of her because of the fact that she became the first to do something, and to be the first to do something is a very powerful thing, especially in a space that doesn't specifically work in her favor, being that she is a woman and that she is also Latina. And then after that, we had communications towers. Basically, we were tasked with building a communication tower that one group, we were split into two groups. One group was group A, we were group B, and one group wasn't able to use one of their hands, and the other group wasn't able to talk. So we had to build with what we were provided. Our specific group was provided with plates, and we had plates and tape. So we built our tower out, insert a picture, and then the other group, they built their tower, and they had plastic cups, straws, and they also had tape. So we just utilized what we had. Then after that, we came together. Our two group leaders discussed how they could integrate our two towers to make it bigger. And so after that, after a while, we were able to talk. Everybody was able to talk, and everybody was just able to use all their hands. So that was a good thing, and we were able to collaborate, and it was actually going pretty good until it didn't go very good. And then our build when we took it outside, it ended up collapsing at the last second before we were able to present it to everybody. So that was unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. Things happen. Then finally we were able to make a cube. So the cube, we had an X-Acto knife, and we had I forgot what it's called, like the mat that you cut stuff on with the X-Acto knife, and we had glue, like a tacky glue, and we also had like the cardboard paper. So I built my cube. I'll show it to you guys. I had like different faces on it. I had like different faces on different sides of the cubes, and then a cutout of the shape of the face. So when you look through the cutout, you see the face, essentially. And then finally we had dinner, which I had to guys, I had to scarf down. I had a Philly cheesesteak, and by the time I got my Philly cheesesteak, it was 6:51. So I had to scarf it down, and then once I checked our group text, then I seen that it said that we can meet at 7:15. But guys, I didn't even get a chance to actually take like a actual picture of the full Philly cheesesteak, because I was just rushing so bad. So that was pretty much that. And then dynamic encounter. I guess we were supposed to do it on the field, but it was started to like drizzle, like rain slightly a bit. So we ended up doing it in the ICC, and basically they paired us up with a partner, and they gave us a sheet of like icebreaker questions and things of that sort, and we just talked and for pretty much 35 minutes, and we talked with our partner, to break the ice and basically create connections within our architecture group. So then we had a studio intro session. So the intro to studio session was basically where we create concepts of like architecture designs, which was cool. And also it was different because I've worked in groups before, but never, it was more of a process. So we start with a process. What is the needs? What do we need to do, and things of that sort. And then we break it down from there. What do we need to do? And then the research that goes into that and those types of things. But now we were already seeing the building, and then we were told to pick a specific area to focus on when building our final draft, essentially. So what we focused on was the nature and the light, and our museum that we were focusing on was the National Museum of the American Indian. So basically tomorrow we're going on a field trip to the Smithsonian, and we're going to pick 10 art pieces that stuck out to us, and we're basically going to include that into our studio design. And then after that was it. I went back to my room, and now I'm here with you guys, but I will do a better job at vlogging and recording the content, because today I did slack off a little bit. One, because it was kind of a new experience for me, so I did want to just soak everything up. It's my first time doing something like this, but I will do better with my recordings, and I will do better with inviting you guys and letting you guys really soak in the full experience here. So stay tuned for more content, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and remember guys, don't be exclusive, be exclusive.